Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to sign up for Pabbly affiliate program. So first thing that you will do guys is of course go to pabbly.com, and now from here just simply scroll down to the very bottom, and now once you are at the very bottom you should be able to see here affiliate program. Click over here on the partners category. And now from here, just simply scroll down again and you should be able to see here, become an affiliate over here. So click on that, the blue icon. And now from here, you should be able to sign up into the Pabbly affiliate. So just simply provide your first name over here, guys, and your last name and your email as well. Now for that, just simply provide a password and confirm your password, and just simply provide an information on how you will be promoting. So I will be promoting on social media, and down below just simply share your website link. So guys, just simply provide the necessary information. Just simply click on I agree to all over here. Check this box and click on sign up. And now from here, a verification code will be sent to you. So just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this, and just simply click on verify email address. And after that, just simply wait for it to load up as Pabbly create your account. And from here, just simply sign in into your account that you just created by providing your email and pass, and click on login. And from there, you should be able to sign up into the Pabbly affiliate. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.